Welcome to the channel where we help you master digital marketing strategies and discover the best ways to make money online. Our mission here is to help you break free from the rigid 9-to-5 grind. We delve into the intriguing world of affiliate marketing, the dynamic terrains of e-commerce, and the ever-evolving realm of social media. We also bring you weekly tips, tutorials, and strategies to elevate your online success. Today we turn our focus to a topic that has piqued the interest of many: the ultimate guide to passive income streams online. We'll be demystifying this concept, stripping it down to its basics, and presenting you with diverse ways to make it work for you. And of course, we'll talk about Fiverr, an invaluable tool in this journey. The link to this resource will be available in the video description. So, buckle up as we embark on this journey to financial freedom. First off, it's crucial to understand what passive income is. Picture this: it's like having a golden goose. A source of wealth that keeps generating golden eggs without requiring constant effort from you. That's passive income, a way of making money that doesn't rely on your active labor hour by hour, day by day. Imagine you're a painter, you create a masterpiece and sell it. That's active income. But if you were to replicate that painting, sell prints of it online, and earn every time someone purchases one, that's passive income. You've leveraged your one-time effort to create an ongoing income stream. Now, why is passive income so important for financial freedom? It's simple. Passive income allows you to make money while you sleep, while you travel, or while you indulge in your favorite hobbies. It's the key to breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind and living life on your own terms. Think about it. With a traditional job, your earning potential is limited by the hours in the day. You can't work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But with passive income, your earning potential is limitless. Your income isn't tied to your time. And the benefits? Well, they're immense. Passive income provides financial security and stability. It's a safety net that can support you if you lose your job or face unexpected expenses. It can also help you reach your financial goals faster, whether that's buying a house, retiring early, or traveling the world. Moreover, passive income can also provide personal benefits. It can give you more time to spend with your loved ones, pursue your passions, or invest in personal growth. It's not just about money, it's about creating a lifestyle of freedom and flexibility. Now that you've understood passive income, let's dive into various passive income streams online. Before we move on, we have an excellent tool that can help you in your journey to financial freedom. This tool is none other than Fiverr, a global online marketplace for freelance services. From graphic design to content writing, Fiverr provides a platform where you can offer your skills and services to a worldwide audience. But how does Fiverr link to passive income, you might ask? Well, it's simple. By becoming an affiliate of Fiverr, you can earn a commission every time someone uses your affiliate link to make a purchase. It's a win-win situation. You help others discover the vast array of services on Fiverr, and in return, you earn an income. And the best part? It doesn't require your constant attention. Once your link is out there, the income can keep coming in. To get started, you'll find the link for this product below the video in the description. This tool is just the beginning. Let's explore more about passive income streams online. There are several ways to generate passive income online. Let's dive into some of the most effective methods. One of the most common ways is through blogging. Now, blogging may not immediately spring to mind when you think about passive income. But here's the thing: when you create a blog and fill it with valuable content, you're building a platform. This platform can then be monetized through various methods such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or display ads. You put in the work up front to create and promote your content, and then it continues to generate revenue even while you sleep. Speaking of affiliate marketing, that's another top-tier method for generating passive income online. It involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. And the beauty of it? You don't need to worry about product creation, inventory, or customer service. You're just the middleman connecting buyers with sellers. Next up, we have online courses. If you're an expert on a particular subject, why not share that knowledge with the world and make some money in the process? You create the course once and then sell it over and over again. Plus, with platforms like Udemy or Teachable, getting started is easier than ever. Then there's e-commerce. This is a broad field that includes everything from selling products on sites like Etsy or eBay to running your own online store. And if you don't want to deal with physical products, you can always opt for dropshipping. In this model, you simply take orders on your website, and then the supplier takes care of the rest. It's a great way to start an online business with minimal upfront investment. And let's not forget about digital products. Ebooks, printables, webinars, software, music, photography, the list goes on. If you can create it and it can be delivered digitally, it can be a source of passive income. Finally, there's the option of investing in digital real estate. Websites, domains, and apps are the new land and buildings of the digital age. You can buy, develop, and then sell or rent these digital properties for a profit. Each of these methods has its own set of benefits. Blogging, for example, allows you to express yourself and build a community around your interests. Affiliate marketing offers the simplicity of not having to deal with products or customer service. Online courses give you the chance to share your expertise and help others learn. E-commerce provides the thrill of running your own business. Digital products offer the creative freedom to make something once and sell it indefinitely. And investing in digital real estate can yield impressive returns if you play your cards right. These are just a few examples. The possibilities are endless. So, why not get started today? Find the method that best suits your skills, interests, and goals, and take your first steps towards generating passive income online. Getting started with passive income online might seem daunting, but here are a few tips to help you succeed. Firstly, don't be afraid to choose the right method for you. There are countless ways to generate passive income online, from affiliate marketing to creating and selling digital products. Each method has its own set of advantages and challenges. It's crucial to choose a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and long-term goals. Remember, what works for one person may not necessarily work for you. Secondly, patience is vital. Building a passive income stream online is not an overnight process. It requires time, effort, and consistency. You might face setbacks and challenges, but don't let these discourage you. Keep going, and remember that every step you take is bringing you closer to your goal. Investing in learning is another crucial tip. The digital world is always evolving, and so must your knowledge. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and strategies in your chosen method. This could mean taking online courses, reading blogs or books, or joining online communities. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the online world and grow your passive income. Don't forget to diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Aim to establish multiple passive income streams. This way, if one source falters, you have others to fall back on. Plus, diversification can open up new opportunities and increase your overall income. Lastly, remember to track your progress. Use analytics and other tools to measure your success. This will help you understand what's working, what's not, and where you need to make adjustments. It's all about finding what works best for you and optimizing it. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Success won't happen overnight, but with persistence, patience, and a willingness to learn, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. So, there you have it, the ultimate guide to passive income streams online. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the concept of passive income to exploring various online streams such as affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and social media. We've also touched on the importance of leveraging platforms like Fiverr, which can be a significant boost to your online earnings. The link to Fiverr is right there in the description below. Remember, the beauty of passive income is that it works for you, not the other way around. It's about breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind and taking control of your financial destiny. With the right tools, strategies, and a little bit of grit, you can create a revenue stream that pays dividends well into the future. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and strategies to elevate your online success. Here's to your journey to financial freedom.